welcome back to Lore Couture. I'm going to do a quick DIY Christmas project for you. Real simple, real inexpensive, so affordable. Anybody can make these, and they're so beautiful because they're simple, okay guys? This is what the final product look like. I love seahorses, so I put a seahorse on mine. You can put anything you want here for Christmas, okay? So let me show you all the stuff that you use, and also I have a little tea light, so it's lighting up. I don't know how well you can see that in the video, but it looks beautiful in person. I will have some photos that I took on my nightstand because I love seahorses and that's my theme. You'll see that in another video. So anyway, here is the final product, and I will probably be making two of these, the one that I have here and the one I'm going to show you right now. So that's the final product. It was about $5.50, $6 to make this, all at the Dollar Tree, and then one item at Walmart. So first you go to the Dollar Tree, you get a basic jar with the silver lid, that's $1. Oh, this is from the Dollar General, $1 for these. They're ornaments, and you can actually cut off the backs of the little hanging things, but I left mine on. So those are $1 at Dollar General. This is the only thing from Dollar General. Dollar Tree, these two tea lights, they're 2 for $1, so 50 cents each. You only need to use one. This was from actually Walmart, 98 cents. They have all kinds of stuff. You can get these also at Dollar Tree for like $1, but this is the one I picked out at Walmart, 98 cents. And then I went to Michael's actually to get these two. There was a white one and a brown one left. That's all they had. There's some glue on there. Basically, they had brown or white, and they were originally $5, but there was a sale the day I went, so I got both of them for $5. They were half off, 50% off. So they were $2.50 each. So that's all you need, along with your glue gun and also your scissors. Always have that. What you do first is you take the jar, you take the lid off. You don't even need the lid. You can save that for something else. You open up this box from Dollar General with all of the pine cones in it, and you can leave those little things on there or cut them off, whatever you want. I left mine on, just in case. You don't know if you'll ever reuse them again or have to use them for ornaments maybe some Christmas, or maybe you'll want to recycle them. So you just put as many in there as you like, however you want to set it up. I try to make it kind of nice looking and turn everything around. They're kind of flocked. They have the white on there. There's 9 in a pack, and so far in both of them I've used the 9. So you try to make them even like that. That's that. Then you take the little tree, the little stem from Walmart or the dollar store, and you try to get it wherever you want it. You can get it in the middle like that. That's how I like it. And then you open up this pack and you take one of these out. These are 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. When you open these up, first time I got them, I was like, what the heck? It's not working. The little black thing's not working. There's usually a tab, and you have to pull the tab. It's white or clear, and then you turn the little black button and it turns on. So you stick this wherever you want, just to give it some light, if you want light. If you don't want light, you don't have to use it. They also have them in red, but I liked them in white since this is just a plain project. Then you take this seahorse that I got at Michael's. You can use any ornament, anything for Christmas you want. There's a hanger on it, so I like to cut the hanger off because it's going to be hot glued gun to the jar. Go as close as you can. You take the scissor and you cut it, and then this part you throw out. So now you just have like a little plaque. On these jars that I got, there's lines on them. I don't know if you can see the lines on here. So I try to put it right in the center of 2 of them to make it even, okay? And you kind of line it up on the table. Make sure that the seahorse, in my case, will stand and fit, that it's not going to be too far down where it won't stand. And then I flip this over. You got the hot glue gun on now for a couple minutes. And what I like to do is I like to put a lot of glue in the center. That's all where I put the glue, all in the center. Try not to burn yourself. And I get as much as I can. This is clear, so it's nice. Okay, and then it kind of strings, and I put it on a plate. And then make sure you line this up when you stick it exactly where you want it. And I try to go straight like that. And then you hold it down like that. You press into it for a few minutes. Usually about 1 minute to 2 minutes does it. And I wish they would have had more of these seahorses at Michael's. They're so adorable with the little Santa hats and the little glitter on them. They're so cute. And this one's nice because it's a natural wood. It will match anything. The other one's white, and it'll match pretty much anything too, but it's nice for like a farmhouse theme or a coastal theme. In our master bedroom, I'm going to be doing another DIY, and you'll see the coastal theme with that. So, and you can move these plants around the way you want in there, and the lights. It's almost ready, it's drying, I can feel it. And you've got to make sure that it stands up. Thank goodness, there it goes. So now you have two of them. And if they ever fall off, you just have your glue gun again, but I doubt they'll fall off. You just have to be careful. So the total cost is $1, $1 for these in here, for the pine cones, 50 cents. So you're up to $3.50, and then whatever ornament you put on there, I mean, you can keep this down to $4.50. You can put any ornament on the front, any design you want on the front. Mine were $2.50 each. So for me, it was about $6 for this whole thing. But they're very simple, and I'm going to put them on the nightstands. You can put them out in your family room, even on your fireplace would look nice. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Watch the next video. I'm going to have more DIYs. I've got a Kirkland video coming up, and I have a lot of Christmas ideas you guys are going to love. Stay tuned. There'll be some photos at the end of these on my nightstands.